Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking the recent AI stock crash and those massive Fed warnings. Let's go. So, with trillion-dollar tech wipeouts and sticky inflation fears, where exactly is the global economy heading in 2026? Well, despite the AI sell-off, UBS is still incredibly bullish. They project the S&P 500 hitting 7,900. And look at Visa's data. The global economy hasn't crashed at all. It's holding a steady 2.7% trend. This crazy resilience, it's anchored by major tech players like Amazon and Meta aggressively funding AI infrastructure. But wait, there's a catch. New York Fed President John Williams warns that sticky inflation remains a huge challenge. Because of this, the Federal Reserve has actually delayed its anticipated interest rate cuts until December 2026. And as Yahoo Finance notes, markets are definitely going to test incoming Fed Chair Kevin Warsh on this exact strategy. Yet, despite delayed rate cuts, the market is still heavily buoyed by massive corporate spending on AI computing. But there's a massive divide here. Semiconductor hardware stocks are just completely outperforming the broader tech megacaps. And honestly, it's not just chips. The data centers and electricity needed for all this AI are absolutely exploding. But after recent stumbles from Broadcom and NVIDIA, we gotta ask, has this aggressive AI investment boom gone too far? Visa directly contrasts an AI wealth boom against a potential bust that could cause deep global tech layoffs. This extreme concentration in semiconductor infrastructure leaves the entire market incredibly vulnerable to sudden asset shocks. So how do you navigate this wild AI volatility? Experts agree you absolutely must strategically diversify your portfolio. Broadening your investments beyond tech into things like commodities, energy, and quality bonds provides a crucial safety cushion. And using new, personalized tools from platforms like Yahoo Finance can really help you track these diversified assets. So, is your portfolio truly ready for this 2026 balancing act? Or will the next market shock hurt